Chapter 4 and
Kill you! Kill everyone who hurts Can't trust anyone! The gentle voices lie! You lie! I tried to be better, to be who they needed. Smart enough, not good enough, not... I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hug a day keeps the hug. Hug a day keeps the monsters away.
Oh,
Ollie! Ollie! You hear me? Ollie! You! What did you do?
nothing.
Why did you kill Dowie? Do you even understand what happened?
He was trying to kill me.
Prototype, Did you even plant the explosives?
Yeah.
Ollie! Ollie, answer me! Please. Ollie! Something's gone horribly wrong. The safe haven...
Shelf ventilation block B6. Is this where you are, Poppy?
What?
Stay where you are.
And listen closely. You're not going to run. You're not going to fight.
Look at Kissy twitching.
Who is this?
The prototype.
An obvious question with an obvious answer.
You. What did you do with Ollie?
I'm right here, Poppy.
For you,
I'll always be
here.
The doctor, Catnap, Mommy and Huggy, they're all dead. You have nothing now. No one. And soon, you'll have less than that.
Stop that.
You don't need to pretend anymore.
Poppy. You don't need to play at being stronger than you are.
You can
Come home.
How much do you know?
Everything.
This isn't right.
All those
years. Was there ever an Ollie?
Nope, it was a
Yes, there was.
But that was a very long time ago. Let me tell you what comes next.
I'm going to
Come up there.
and I'm going to
Find you. Your collaborators. The few you have left, they will be dealt with.
What are you going to do with me?
I've got something special in mind.
I prepared it just for you.
And
What?
this one,
You will never want to leave.
No. This entire time, you've lied to me!
Only because you've kept
Missing the
point. I've taken the liberty of retrieving those explosives from the Foundation. Thanks for collecting them.
those, by the way. I've put them to good use. I admit, though, I'm disappointed.
After after all that time in your case. I'd hoped you'd see things
Differently. Don't you understand?
It's always been about you.
And we'll hobby what we are. That's not a truth that can be burnt away. No, not when it can mean so much more.
Prototype. Please.
It's time to come home.
Hobby.
It's time to come home.
I can't go back in the case. I can't. I'm sorry.
Oh, there's a bomb. There's a bomb. Where's the bomb? Where's the bomb?
Some friend, huh?
Don't worry, I'll find her.
As for you
That's
two,
Mr. Light.
try to land on your feet.
Oh! Oh! Oh, nah. Okay. Watch it be neck first and now we die. Head first! How is this dude still alive? Look how tall that is. Bro, look how tall that is. And head first to... You would be dead by now if you do that in real life, bro. What is this? Top secret.
Hi, my name is Leith Pierre, and I'm the head of innovation here at Playtime Co. If you're seeing this, you must be very, very lost. Well, rest assured, friend, our state-of-the-art laboratory is just up ahead. Why don't you just go on inside and tap one of our scientists on the shoulder? Tell them you're lost. They'll be glad to help. All right. Let's be honest. You're not supposed to be here. This is the single most high security, high clearance section of the whole factory. When someone finds you down here,
Only this one
you will
area.
be shot. And before you get any ideas, don't think you can just sneak away either. No, the second you put this tape in, it set off an alarm. So if
Who's
anyone's
that?
home,
Is that Kissy?
you know exactly where
Is
you
that
are.
Kissy?
Pretty nifty, huh? Security is very important to us here. If I were you,
Oh, that
I'd start
is not
running.
Kissy. It's Honey! Oh, nah. That's crazy. It's GG's for us in chapter 5, chat. It's GG's. It's GG's. It's GG's, bro. I beat the whole entire game. Let's go! I'm glad that I beat the whole entire game after the doughy boss pit. Bugs. There's so much bugs. Like